Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to reset all settings on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, scroll down and click on reset. Scroll down and click on, you will see reset all settings. If you want to reset all settings, click on reset settings and your phone pin. You will see and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see reset all settings. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can reset all settings on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.